Welcome back. Well, warm weather will continue as we matriculate through the rest of this week and head toward the weekend. Some showers before the week is done. Of course, we're watching a hurricane, so let's take a look at these upper level features overhead. One to the west, an upper level low, and a chilly one, a cold one at that, but it's not moving a whole lot. High pressure ridge off the east coast of the U.S. If this were August or September, we'd be awfully worried about a tropical system getting into the Gulf of Mexico from the tip of Cuba. But we have one upper level winds here that are quite strong. Notice all the dry air in the Gulf of Mexico, and this system is going to have to work this way toward the Gulf. But also notice this moisture out in the Pacific. This is actually going to get here by Friday and may help out to add some showers to our forecast. And we might get a little bleed out from that tropical system. We'll talk more about Rafael in just a bit. First off, though, most of the rains over the southeast this evening, and the snows and winter storm warnings for a good part of New Mexico. In fact, they're looking at snow in around the Albuquerque area to the north in the 1 to 2 foot range, and we're seeing that in some of the higher elevations here. And then you get above 7,500 feet, they're looking at 4 feet of snow. So skiers, you got some snow to work with, not too far away. About a 15-hour drive is Albuquerque, and then you go to the north towards, say, Taos, and you're going to have some snow for sure. Meanwhile, here locally, it's just ground clutter showing up inland. These are bona fide showers out in the Gulf of Mexico, but we can clean that up and take a look at Power Doppler 3. And we're even getting some ground clutter showing up, which is telling us it's a very stable, moist atmosphere. That means fog is going to be in the forecast overnight tonight with generally fair skies overhead. You can see the stars out there right now. Pretty crescent moon earlier this evening if you saw that. Now here is Hurricane Rafael. It crossed Cuba today. It's now a Category 2 storm, and just looking at the last few frames, it looks like this is getting better organized once again. Cat 2 with 105-mile-per-hour winds. It could go back up to a major. It was briefly a major earlier today. Could become a major storm with maybe 115-mile-per-hour winds, but the forecast track has changed vastly since we started at the beginning of the week. With high pressure, we expect that to build in and block this system and push it to the west, and this is very unusual for November. Usually you see storms going in the other direction, so as it moves westward, it's going to bump into that drier air, some shear, and by here we are Monday at 6 p.m., a 40-mile-per-hour tropical storm. The cone now, which was in Louisiana all day yesterday, is now well offshore, so that is the good news. But we'll be watching a pretty healthy system that'll be running across the Gulf of Mexico, producing high winds as well. But notice you can see the hurricane containing itself. We have some moisture coming in locally from the west, but the hurricane staying well offshore. Quick look at the Euro model here showing us the moisture coming in for Friday. It may dry out. I have some rain chances for Saturday and Sunday. Got to go for some, but you can see the Euro going in the same direction as the graph model, and this graph model showing you those high winds and tropical storm force winds staying well offshore. This could allow for increasing tides down the line as we go into the weekend early next week, but we're not concerned with that at this point. So tomorrow, rain chances down to 10%, and as we head into Friday, it'll be in the 40 to 50% range with some moisture in the area. Again, fog is the issue through daybreak tomorrow morning, so keep that in mind. It will be foggy in spots. Moving into the 10-day forecast, we'll go with a pretty good chance of scattered showers, maybe a thunder shower Friday. Those rain chances on the weekend should go down with time. We'll see. And then next Wednesday, front on the way, and we have some 40s and 50s at night coming as we go into next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.